welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, and honestly that's because my laptop broke down, so I haven't been able to edit at all. But I actually have a lot of videos that I filmed and I really want to upload, but I just don't even have access to them right now. And I did try to get my laptop fixed, but then they told me that because my laptop was bought overseas, they don't have the parts to fix it here, so they can't fix it. So I'm either gonna have to wait till I have enough money to buy one, or wait till I go back to Canada and fix it there. So yeah, because it's been a while, I thought I had filmed something on my phone and edited for you guys. So it's my birthday this week and also Halloween. My birthday's on October 30, and I actually have a lot of things planned with my friends, so I'm going to be filming that and bring you guys along to my birthday week in Tokyo.
日々ご飯作ってくれたよね。
手作りご飯作りました。
怖い。
開けてください。
あ、こっち？
開けてください。開けてください。
すごいじゃん。
ありがとうございます。
怖い。ありちゃんおめでとう。
誕生日おめでとうございます。
ありがとうございます。マカロンでございます。おいしそう。日々なんだろうね、わかんないね。
もう失敗じゃん。なんだろうね。なんだろうね。たまたま歩いてたら見つけて、似合うかなと思って選んでないもんね、これ。明日着る？
おめでとうございます。
ハッピーバースデー。
日々 Thank you。
今日はアリさんの誕生日です。こちら私の兄弟です。ブラザー。
しんちゃん、ブラザー。They did a surprise party for me。私みんな大好き。Happy birthday dear アリソン、アリソン、アリソン。Happy birthday to you。いただきます。We're going to school. Yes. 今日何するの？学校の後。
アリアンソン、ハッピーバースデー。
Happy birthday number two.
Number two. Today.
We go to Shiokubo, like Koreatown. I changed my outfit. And I'm going to Shiokubo and I'm gonna get some Korean food. I'm ready for Halloween! In Tokyo, they have a big party in Shibuya. That's where I'm gonna go today with my friends. We're dressing up as vampires. I literally spent like an hour trying to put the red contacts on, but I just can't do it. So I'll try to see if my friend can do it for me. And before going to Shibuya, I'm actually going to a tea party that's at my work. I got invited by Naomi, and I've been like following her for such a long time. I really love her fashion, and she actually invited me to go with her to like this Halloween tea party. So I'm really excited for that too, and I'm going with my friend Pip, we're both dressing up as vampires.
Hello there, princess. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Shibuya, ikimasu. See the coins? Blood hands, blood hands.
We're in Shibuya. Chaos here. Chaos. Where the fuck am I? Where are we? Birthday girl.
Happy birthday to me! It's October 30th and I'm 24 today. So it's day 3. Mikame 誕生日 party. Yay, so today we're going
No, four.
Fourth?
Thursday.
a 4th day of celebrating my birthday. And today we're wearing Lolita. Lolita poi kana? Lolita people, don't come for me because we're not wearing actual Lolita. I'm sorry, but we have the vibe. We're going to a tea party today. Yay! Here's the cafe. Oh my god, look at this!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! This is amazing. Look at this. What? Am I allowed to deserve all of this? No. What the hell? I'm back home now, and honestly, I'm just full of so much love for all of the friends I have around me. Honestly, I feel so blessed, and I'm just so happy to be living this life surrounded by like amazing people, and just to be able to do these sort of things. Like dressing up like this and going to a cafe, I probably wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for attending fashion school with people that actually have these type of clothes. So yeah, I'm just really grateful for the past few days.